Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Lowe's Affiliates easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Lowe's Affiliates, visit the Lowe's Affiliates website. Look for the Join Now button on the home page. Click the button to begin your registration process. You'll be prompted to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password for your new account. Once you've completed the form, hit the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link provided. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the Lowe's Affiliates portal. Log in using your email and password. Next, complete your profile by adding your website or social media links. Make sure to provide any additional details as requested. Once your profile is complete, submit your application for review. Wait for a response from the Lowe's Affiliates team. If approved, you will gain access to marketing materials and links. Start promoting Lowe's products using your unique affiliate links. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. That's it. You're now ready to start earning with Lowe's Affiliates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.